Oh, see, she's in pain? See how much in pain she's in? She sat up. She sat up on her legs almost. She gets really bad gas pains.
She's the hiccups again.
She always has the hiccups. You know what I do when she's in bad gas pains? And I stretch her out. You gotta be careful doing this stuff because sometimes she's just laying down, she can start throwing up.
Yeah, but we're here watching her.
Right.
So I turn her head to the side.
And after you feed her, Jonathan, she has to be held upright for 30 minutes.
That's a very good pass.
It's okay, Peanut. Smile. No?
No.
Why are you pressing pause?
I'm taking a video and I want to get her hiccup.
Okay, so now I need to walk around with her.